Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something a bit juicy, my best and worst luxury purchases of 2024. I will walk you through what I loved, what I regretted, and what I also learned along the way. And this list covers purchases I made between November last year and October this year, so it's been long enough to truly evaluate how I feel about them. And as always, my process of buying is often that I give myself quite a lot of time to think about more expensive purchase, and I rather think about it for a longer time and wait a bit instead of buying things impulsively, even though I sometimes may do it if it's something rare. But oftentimes I just try to be more mindful with every purchase, and if I'm still thinking about it after a while, then I know it will be worth it. So let's jump into my purchases this year. So first up, let's talk about bags and accessories, probably my favorite category to splurge on. Let's start on a positive note and start with a best. This is one purchase I did during the spring, and it's from Hermes, and this scarf has really been a game changer. It is perfect for elevating a plain outfit, whether I wear it traditionally as a scarf or get creative with it as a scarf top. And I opted for a more graphic pattern, which makes it feel more modern and fresh. So 10 out of 10, no regrets here. And I will just share it again in case you haven't seen it. It's some horses and a lot of animals, and the more you look at it, the more animals you will find. Next best purchase is hands down my favorite everyday bag. This one from Toteme is durable, spacious, and works year-round, no matter the season. And if you are looking for an investment bag that's practical yet stylish, then this one is really a winner. I done a full review of this bag earlier during the spring, and this bag has held up really well since I got it in March. Even though it's white, I haven't found that there's been any color transfer or any marks whatsoever. I can see, however, that it's on the edges here and here there's slight wear. I don't know if you managed to see it, but that doesn't bother me too much, because overall the quality of this has been really great. They are actually making their Toteme T-Lock handbags in the same factory where they produce Bottega and Celine bags. So it is truly a great buy, as you get high-end quality bag for a mid-luxury bag price. And another best purchase, or not really a purchase, as I was gifted this from my sister, is this bracelet that I'm wearing now from APM Monaco. I got it as a birthday gift when we traveled to Paris, and I think it's so chic and it sparkles so beautifully, and I love that it's different from regular tennis bracelets, because as you can see there's these really beautiful round charms on it, and I feel that it's somehow prosperous and will give me good luck. And yeah, I like that it's a little bit different, and it's also very easily removable here. So you just open this clasp up and then you have it like this. So yeah, I think it's very convenient to take on and off, and I love to pair it with my love bracelet. I mean, love this combo. It looks so chic and special with this stack. Now let's move on to a worst purchase. It's actually this mini pouch from Longchamp. This one was such a disappointment. I got it to store my keys, but honestly it's a nightmare to open and close every time I need them. Sometimes I find myself fiddling with it 4 or 5 times before heading out the door. Way too much hassle for a convenient key pouch. I think, I mean, to serve it a purpose, I think it's good for putting in coins if I'm in a foreign country with lots of coins, but at home I'm normally just using my credit cards and or using my mobile phone, so I would basically never reach out for this, even though it looks cute. However, I bought it with some discount. I believe it was 30% off or 40% off during the summer, so it doesn't hurt as bad. And my next worst purchase are these Celine sneakers. These sneakers were a letdown. They are uncomfortable and feel heavy when walking. Plus, the back is too short and tends to slide down, which is super annoying. And thankfully, I got them at half price from an outlet in Italy. But even then, I wouldn't recommend them. They look really cute, but either it's something wrong with my feet, or it just doesn't give my feet that support when wearing them. So very, very sad about that, because they are a pair of really cute shoes, and I love the mint green color for the summer. And next worst purchase might be a big surprise for many of you, is actually my Hermes Constant to Go in box leather. This darling, but this one is tricky. I absolutely love the look of this bag. It's so chic with the palladium hardware and that beautiful box leather, but in practice it's too delicate for daily use, even though box leather is more durable than you think. I have wet this down a couple of times, but after wiping it away immediately, it's getting back its smooth finish. So that's not too big of a problem. But what I found the most difficult with this bag is that it's too small for most occasions. Plus, it's not even sturdy enough to stand on its own. However, it's gorgeous, but just not practical. And considering the amount of money I spent on this little bag, I wish that it was slightly wider here, so that you could fit a little bit more. It's enough for fine dining out or for some parties, some cocktail parties, but crowded place, then I would probably skip this bag. And let's end this category with bags and accessories in a positive note. So I will share another best purchase. It is the Chanel ballerinas. I can't rave enough about these. They are the perfect versatile shoe for spring and summer. Whether I'm pairing them with relaxed linen pants or flowy dress, the lambskin is buttery soft and comfy when even wearing them without socks. And I think they are a dream for everything from office wear to exploring new cities or vacations. So I highly, highly recommend these shoes, even though I've worn them quite a bit. So they have some scratches already, but thanks to that the front is black, it doesn't show as much. But I've really worn these a lot during this year. So now let's move on to beauty products. And here I've had a mix of hits and misses this year. First off is this Chanel Numero Un cream. And this one was a flop for me. Even though it's a really thick cream, for the price point, I don't think this is worth it. But because after trying it, I'm still very loyal to my La Mer cream, because somehow it always calms my skin when it's acting up, and none of the other moisturizers I've tried this year come close to this one. They either feel too light, not hydrating enough, or overly sticky compared to La Mer. So I will probably go back to this after using up my other creams. Next is a favorite I want to talk about. So this year I ventured into AHA peels for the first time, and wow, the results have been really incredible, and I have been loving is the Verso AHA peel, which is this this one with enzyme AHA and PHA, and the Verso Peel is really fantastic to even out the skin tone and reducing hyperpigmentations. And I've even tried the Chanel's AHA, even though it's more luxurious and really fancy that you also get the face brush with it. The price is nearly triple of this, and I think that Verso does the job just as well and is far more affordable. And you know me, I can't go through a beauty list without mentioning a lip product, and I would say that my favorite for this year must be the Tom Ford Sunlit Rosy Lip Balm in combination with this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner in medium. And this lip combo has been a total favorite this year. I must say that the Tom Ford lip balm not only delivers the perfect rosy glow, but also doubles as a mini mirror, which is such a thoughtful touch. And paired with the Pillow Talk Medium 2 liner from Charlotte Tilbury, it's my go-to for a polished lip look. The only downside I would say is that this lip balm is a bit bulky. For instance, if I want to fit it in my mini bags like the Hermes Constant to Go, it's scratching the inner and with the sharp corner, and it's a little bit bulky. I just want to say that another big favorite this year and a best purchase I've done within the beauty category is my Ceremonia Heritage Scalp Aceite Mosca oil, and this in combination with this hair massager has been the ultimate dream duo, because I've got so much compliments on my thick hair and quality of hair from my hairdresser. I visit my hairdresser maybe twice, 2 to 3 times a year, and she's the type of person who always notices regarding the health of my hair, and she has really noticed a big difference since I started to use these two. And basically I just put a few drops of this when my hair is dry, and then I massage this for 10 minutes. It's like pre-shampooing, and once I've done that, I just wash my hair as usual. And it really cleanses the bottom of my scalp, and I think I really feel that my hair has grown thicker during the past year by doing this like once every week approximately. And yeah, I think this is a big favorite. And finally, let's talk about experiences. These are impossible to divide into best or worst, because honestly, even the challenging ones are special in their own way. So instead, I will share 2 of the most memorable trips I took this year. So one of my recent trip to China and Seoul was incredible special, because I got to introduce my boyfriend to my family in China for the first time, and we spent a lot of quality times with loved ones, enjoyed amazing food, and went shopping and indulged in spa treatment. It was just a blend of meaningful connection and total relaxation, which was just the best I could ask after quite challenging year. My second big highlight this year is probably my Elba Island trip. So this was a girls' getaway, and I think it was everything I needed this year. Just to get away, spend a week soaking up the sun, exploring and enjoying delicious Italian food and wine. It was just the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation, and a true reset for the soul. So yeah, it was just a magical week, and I hope to be able to plan something similar for next year as well. So there you have it, my best and worst luxury purchases of 2024. From bags and beauty to unforgettable experiences. It's been a year full of lessons and memories. I hope this inspires you to think critically about your purchases, and more importantly, to invest in things that truly bring you joy. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content. See you in my next one. Bye!